just does something to you.
The Refreshing approached us and said, we want to do something cool. We want a really, really big screen. Of course, when people say stuff like that, it gets our creative juices flowing. So we taken this PVC material. This is it right here, actually. So this would be a triangle piece. We have, as you can see behind me, we've got some squares that we've turned into diamonds. And basically, we custom made all this stuff in our shop, CNC'd the holes, everything. And then we decided to put it all together with some custom mounts that we made. And as you can see behind me, it's coming together. So the nice thing about this place is they basically gave us creative freedom to say, hey, listen, you guys do whatever you want. We trust you, and we know it's gonna look good. With something this custom, we just kind of had to figure out like how to build it. Like how do we even put something like this together to where it looks perfect, uniform, all the lines match, everything comes together like rock solid. And so basically what I have in my hands here is the answer. It's kind of like speaker grill material, and we call it our universal mount. So basically we can just mount anything we want to it. And that's what's holding basically everything together.
Up here in the Refreshing, blasting a huge monster screen. Gonna move this PA around. I'm refreshed just looking at it.
Wow. Everything needs to be more visual for this generation. And man, I just looked at the first screen we had, and it was maybe 4 by 5, 20 years ago. And to see this, it's like, okay, all right, everything has to be bigger now. So I'm excited about this. About 7 years ago that I called Jonathan, and Jonathan came in, and all of this was bare walls. And I said, I want you to do what you do and give it a lift. And he did the first phase of this. And everybody, I've gotten telephone calls like crazies because sometimes people think because you're not a big church, we're a very small church. Sometimes people think because you're not a big church, you can't do exceptional things. And he was able to make this small stage, it was actually smaller than this small stage really pop. If you give him the liberty, he can really maximize. He can really take it to the next level, and I'm so appreciative.
Well, he's just now moving the points, trying to get the PA to be parallel. You need the PA to be equidistant away in order to triangulate a medial position in room application. And so he's just moving a couple pieces of unistrut in order to get the fly bar to be even.
Last piece.
This is an important moment right now. We have the final 2 pieces to complete this incredible, amazing custom screen. It's our final piece of universal mount, Sound in Church customized. So this is really, this is it.
Right here.
Yeah, this is it right now.
So today, we've finished putting all the tiles together. Everything's bolted together, kind of roughed in. So it's Friday night, we're wrapping up. Been a long day, but we've got all the panels up. We're gonna tune the sound system this evening, leave them in a good shape for Sunday morning. Gonna come back next week and we're gonna dial in all the edge blending. We've got 3 projectors that are gonna hit this huge screen. And so right now, we've just got a bunch of stuff that had to get rushed in, get set up, and get done. And now the final part, which is the detail, all of the crispness, the lines getting drawn in, all of the fidelity, that's when it happens. And so we're super excited to turn it over to them. They're gonna have a huge visual impact for their first Sunday with this massive screen up. And then whenever we come and finish up next week, it's gonna be amazing. We're gonna hit all 3 projectors on. It's gonna be super crisp, super clean, and they're super excited here. This is part 1. We're gonna come back and show you part 2, fully finished, fully decked out, and we're really excited for you guys to see it. We're super excited to announce the launch of our Sound and Church YouTube channel. Everybody's got a YouTube channel. We understand that. Ours is going to be a little bit different. What you're going to get when you subscribe to the Sound and Church YouTube channel is you're going to get tech commentary, you're going to get behind the scenes, you're going to get all kinds of technical information that is funny, that is helpful for your creative team at your church, and you're going to get to see behind the scenes of what it is that we do every single day of every single week in churches all over our state and others. So stay tuned, subscribe, check us out, and make sure that you follow the Sound and Church YouTube channel.